How to cancel student fee. Today we will discuss about how to cancel student fee in ZamaSchool software. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on a single student fee. To cancel fee of a student, you can search the student by his enrollment number, name, father's name, registration number, or if you have no knowledge about these details, you can simply select him from the class. Let's say we want to cancel student fee of enrollment number like for example 322. Then to cancel fee of the current student, just click on the cancel fee. The screen will appear with list of months. I will select the month of which I want to cancel fee. The total fee applied on the student will appear below. Just click on the delete fee. Confirmation message will be appear. Click OK to delete and you are good to go. The current student fee is cancelled. Hope after this video you can easily cancel student fee in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on a registered number in the description.